this guy. I will expose this guy. Look, how many cockroach is this? What is his first ugly video? What is first? So many video. Okay. How about shorts? Let me see this. Somebody likes him, bro.
Tick tock tock a fumble.
Look in this. First, we got this ugly cock. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Did you say in the YouTube?
Oh, just kidding.
I actually.
I will kill this guy. I will kill this guy. Wait. Wait. If DJ loves turbos, expose this guy. This guy? Yuck! I will backshot that.
What's this?
That one?
That's too many. That's too many cockroaches.
The heck? What the fuck?
I should kill you
What the flip?
and leave the mob.
Okay, I'm gonna comment. Hey! I will say. Hey, disgusting. Hey, bullshit.
He's like,
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy, you're fat. Oh, oosh.
You're ugly.
Ugly. Corky is in my head.
Just like that. Hey, buddy, you're ugly. Ugly butt.
How about when you call him Cork?
No, he's not
Hey.
Core.
You know this?
His voice reveal.
That's too many cockroach.
His voice reveal. So, is his voice reveal like 2 years old or 3 years old something else? What the?
3 seconds old.
What?
Or 3 seconds old.
3 seconds old? What the heck? 3 seconds old?
Hey yo.
How many this stupid
You know
robot
what's this?
guy?
You know what's this? You know what is it? You know what's this? You know this?
What is it?
What the Sigma is this?
Hey yo!
Bro's making aura from a cockroach.
It's not an aura. It's a disgusting aura, bro.
Yeah.
You don't
Minus
have laugh.
100 quadrillion. Ow.
I will say.
I'm dead.
I will say minus. Minus.
Me. I can do the limit
No.
of the numbers.
Okay, wait.
That will not work. Here. That is despair.
Okay, that's fine.
Aura. Spell aura. Okay. Sorry, Jesus.
So, there I commented. That guy is
Too
ugly.
many numbers. Yo.
What did cockroach standing? Ew! What is?
The original one. This. Yeah. And now there's too many babies. Yeah, baby. Yeah, what the fuck is a baby? I mean, just kidding.
I think is this guy. This kid is 3 years old. So I'm Mr. Blocks 99.
I know you posted a malame amarale.
Yeah.
Video.
Yeah. It's
So
me.
yours, win.
Look.
I know.
Where is? No, not the 0.
Hey, what the sigma that?
Here you go, bro. Here, it's me,
And I have a video too.
bro. Where?
Yan.
Wow.
You know what's that? Yeah. I'm playing Blade Bond. That's 10 minutes. That's 10 minutes. Freaking 10 minutes. I'm serious.
Okay, let's go again. Let's expose that guy again.
You mean who loves cockroach?
Yeah, he's disgusting. Steak. You smell ugly.
Bro,
A mole blown is super ugly.
what's
Spit.
the actual cotton?
I don't know. It's
What
you.
cut is that?
It's you. Just kidding. It's not you.
Yep, cockroach.
Oh my God! His sister
What the fuck is
is
that?
here. Oh.
That's, you know what is a sister? The car.
Yeah. And he's a dog. Ugly rabbit dog. Huh?
The, what the fuck is that? Is this new? I know
Wait.
that's you.
Yuck! It's like disgusting.
I'm going
Baby
to use
cockroach.
the explode volume.
This
that
is
can break.
AI, bro.
I can break the actual
I
limit
see.
of the volume. Look.
Top 7 cockroach 2025.
Hey, yo, bro, posting at 2025, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna crush out.
Exploding.
Yuck! What?
Yo,
Hey!
hey, yo. Yo.
Where did that cockroach?
Subscribe. Bro said subscribe.
No, I'm not gonna subscribe.
Bro said subscribe. Bro said subscribe.
Humpty Dumpty Saturday Wall, you ugly bitch, you fucker in the beach. Oh, because you ugly. Warm up. Yeah, this is a baby video.
Yeah, I know.
With a cockroach, it's ugly. When
How he does know to edit. I think bro leaked her actual location. I hear and even a rum.
So I'm gonna go do this.
I know he's afraid of cockroaches.
I hate this video. I hate.
Ooh.
Hey! You smell? Oh my God.
I like that. I almost like that.
Wait. Do not do that again. If you do that, I will make you fat, ugly. I hate this video.
You know what is the longest video?
Do not that cut.
You know what is the longest
I
video?
hate this video.
said,
And I
you know
will
what is
report
the
this.
longest video? You know what's
Look
that?
at this.
Hey, you know
A white cockroach. Ew, that's super disgusting.
I saw that, bro. I saw that white cockroach.
What is saying?
Adi mo na. Di mo na.
What? Ay, Dima? Dima?
Adi mo na. Di mo na.
What is this, Spanish?
Spanish, bro. Spanish. 4. Can you just shut up?
Yuck! You will gonna kill your cockroach?
No. Bro's going to kill her with cockroach. Oh no.
Please kill it. Please kill it. Please kill it. Please
No,
kill
he
it.
didn't kill it.
Oh my God.
He let his mom kill it. There's too many cockroaches in her house. That's 1 billion cockroaches.
What?
1 billion cockroach in her house.
In her house, okay?
Yeah. Let's put 1 billion cockroach in her house. Okay?
Why there's a song? Why there's a song? I can hear that.
Now he's going to feed the cockroach.
Yo!
For her pet. It's not her pet. Ew.
Ew.
So I know. If you cut the head of the cockroach, it's still alive.
No, I will crush the cockroach.
Yeah, it's already dead.
You want the cockroach? Go to your face, ugly! Oh my god. Get out that ugly. Next.
Wait a minute.
How?
I saw something. I saw something.
What is it?
This. What the? Now you're telling me to subscribe.
I'm not gonna subscribe, okay?
Yeah. Wait, I'm going to think about it. That's too many. That's too many shouts.
Yuck! Yuck! I'm not gonna see it. I'm
Go
not gonna
play
see
with
it.
the cockroach.
Yuck! Disgusting. I'm gonna poop this cockroach.
Yep.
Yeah.
Next at 40 years, I'm going to create.
Do you see? His and Henry Bear reveal. It's look like a baby, similar than me.
You mean you're? I know that you're smaller than my 7-year-old.
Yeah. I wish that the bus go rotting, bro. I don't care. I don't care.
It's
You
like this. So Jay and Tommy, so lucky, so lucky.
What did
so
you say?
lucky.
It's not lucky. It's
Yeah,
what? It's not lucky.
Ha! I actually speak.
Okay. Last chance. I will give this guy last chance.
I saw her fingers.
Yeah. His fingers. Oh, her fingers.
Cockroach.
Yuck!
Cockroach. Again, I said so now.
What?
I know. I don't know what is this. Is that the freaking? Now you're telling me to just like
This
and comment and
channel
subscribe.
is
Can you shut the
Full of cockroach!
Okay.
I'm
Let's stop the video.
okay.
That's
Bye.
too many
Bye.
shout
Bye.
kids.
Bye.